Welcome to another session of Latin math tutorials. In this session, I will walk you through how to convert fractions to decimal using the calculator. I will also walk you through how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions using the calculator. And lastly, we will talk about how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions using the calculator. Without further ado, let us start with the first thing on the video outline. So in this session, we shall explore how to convert fractions to decimals using the calculator. The following is a practical example. Example 1. Convert 5 out of 2 to decimal. So to convert 5 out of 2 to decimals using the calculator, what you have to do first is to enter 5 out of 2 and press equal to. So to enter 5 out of 2, I press on 5, I press on the fraction symbol, and then I press on 2. Next, I simply press on the equal to sign. So the calculator gives the result as 5 out of 2. The next step is to convert the result to decimal. So to convert the result to decimal, what you have to do is to simply press SD. So I press on SD. So 5 out of 2 is the same as 2.5. Try out this example and leave your answer in the comment section. Now, let us move on to the second thing on the video outline. In this section, we shall explore how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions using the calculator. We all know that improper fractions are of the form a out of b, where a is greater than 0. For example, if you have 15 out of 4, it is an improper fraction because the numerator 15 is greater than the denominator 4. The following are some practical examples. Example 1. Convert 15 out of 4 to mixed fraction. So to convert this particular improper fraction to mixed fractions using the calculator, what you have to do first is to enter 15 out of 4 and press equal to. So I enter 15, I press on the division symbol, I press on 4, and then I press on equal to. Next is to convert the result to mixed fractions. So to convert the result to mixed fraction, what you have to do is to simply press Shift and then press on SD. So the calculator gives the result as 3 whole number, 3 out of 4. Initially, I stated that if you want to convert the result to fraction, what you have to do is to simply press SD. And now, when we check on top of the SD button, we can locate the mixed fraction symbol, and it is yellow in color, which means I will have to use the Shift key to activate it. That is the reason why you will have to press on the Shift button first before pressing on the SD to convert the result to mixed fraction. So let us try it one more time. To convert the result to mixed fraction, you first press on Shift and then you press on SD. So 15 out of 4 is the same as 3 whole number, 3 out of 4. Try out this example and leave your answer in the comment section. Now, let us move on to the last thing on the video outline. In this section, we shall explore how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions using the calculator. The procedure in this particular section is a very simple one. So without further ado, let us get to some practical examples. Example 1. Convert 6 whole number 7 out of 8 to improper fraction. So to do this particular conversion, what you have to do first is to enter 6 whole number 7 out of 8 into the calculator. Is to first enter 6. And now, when we check on top of the fraction symbol, we can locate the improper fraction symbol, and it is also yellow in color, which means I will have to use the Shift key to activate it. So I simply press on Shift and then I press on the fraction symbol. Next, I enter the numerator, which is 7. I use the arrow keys to navigate to the denominator, and then I enter 8. So I have successfully entered 6 whole number 7 out of 8 into the calculator. Now, what I have to do next is to simply press equal to. So when I press on equal to, the calculator will automatically convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So this implies that 6 whole number 7 out of 8 is the same as 55 out of 8. Try your hands on this particular example and leave your answer in the comment section. I hope this video was very helpful. Make sure you tap on the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload amazing contents like this. My name is Larteen and I hope we had an amazing time together. Thank you and have a nice day.